We all know actions are important in life. It's such a simple thing. But why we find it so difficult in taking actions? Let me explain you what I learned in this book. We get distracted in our lives for so many things. Distraction is also an action which moves away from what we want in our life. Opposite of distraction is traction, actions which make us go closer to what we want in our life. Now, between this journey of distraction and traction, there are internal triggers and external triggers. Internal triggers are emotions which makes us, compel us to escape, do something else. And there are external triggers like notifications of social media, some other news, other person comment. And now, how do we deal with it? So there are a few hacks which author has shared. There are few hacks. 10-minute rule. If you're working on something deep and hard, which is very important for you, and you are getting tempted to close that task and do something else, just observe yourself. Observe your emotion, observe your thoughts. Let 10 minutes go by and you will be avoiding getting distracted. Reimagine your temperament. A lot of people carry these beliefs which are deep down that they are like this. For example, I want my morning tea. I can't just live without it. Now, this is a limiting belief that I'm like this, I want this. What you're doing to your mind, you're reinforcing this. So in a health program, if they teach you to move from tea to a healthy drink, you're limiting beliefs. So just be alive before making these statements. Make time for traction. Finding that success in life is all about making time for traction. What is traction? Traction is actions which you want in your life. Now, how do you make time? You can make time for yourself, your personal growth, your own study, your own health regime, your own work, anything which lifts you up, fills you up. Time for loved ones. How do you schedule time for loved ones? And time for your work. In this journey of taking actions, in this journey of becoming really focused, just be compassionate yourself. We beat ourselves too much. We get aggressive on ourselves. We get serious on ourselves. We hit ourselves. Just be compassionate. Discovering that higher person inside you is a journey. It's a very patient journey. You got to be compassionate. Just start to love yourself. Actions in life give results. It is such a simple thought. Why it is so difficult to get into action? It's difficult for various reasons. I'm covering few. Why it is so difficult to take action? Distraction. We get distracted. Opposite of distraction is traction. Traction is actions for what you want in your life. Now, distraction and traction, both are within our hands. It is we who get distracted and it is we who drive those actions. You are very important in this journey.